In today's video, I will teach you how to remove red eye with AI. Let's get started. Flash photography often causes a common problem known as red eye, where the subject's pupils appear unnaturally red. This usually happens in low light settings when the camera flash reflects off the retina. While it can be distracting, you don't need advanced editing skills to fix it. So first, open your browser and go to Fotor AI Photo Editor. Now click the Upload button or drag and drop your photo into the editor workspace. And make sure to choose a photo where the red eye effect is clearly visible for best results. On the left-hand panel, switch to the Beauty tab. Then scroll down to the Eyes category. Then select the red eye removal tool. This tool allows you to precisely target and remove red eye with just a click. Now use the brush size slider to adjust the tool to match the size of the red area in the eye, and aim for a brush size slightly larger than a red eye spot for better coverage. Now hover over the red part of one eye and click once, and the red eye effect should disappear instantly. If some red remains, click on the leftover areas again, and repeat the same process for the other eye. And take note that the brush uses soft feathered edges, so if it doesn't remove everything at once, it's normal, so just click again as needed. Then click and hold the compare button at the bottom right to see the original image versus the fixed version. And if satisfied, click apply to confirm the red eye correction. An optional step is bringing back natural eye detail. If your subject's eye look a little too flat or faded after removing the red, you can enhance them with the Eye Pop tool. Still in the Beauty tab, select Eye Pop. And ensure the brush is set to add mode, and adjust the brush size and set the intensity around 50%. Then slightly brush over the iris or the entire eye area to restore contrast and highlight detail. Then compare the before and after using the compare button, then click apply when done. And when your edits are complete, click the download button at the top right of the editor. Then choose the file format and resolution before saving it to your computer. And here are some tips for best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.